This isn't just about crops failing. This is about invisible enemies that brought entire civilizations to their knees. For thousands of years, humans believed they controlled agriculture, but again and again, something microscopic, something unstoppable, proved otherwise. Entire nations starved, economies collapsed, millions were forced to flee their homes. And the most disturbing part? These threats never disappeared. Irish potato blight. It started as a small dark stain, barely noticeable on a potato leaf. But beneath the surface, something was spreading fast, a pathogen called Phytophthora infestans. At first, farmers ignored it. The crop still looked alive, still harvestable, but then everything rotted. Entire fields turned into black sludge almost overnight. Ireland depended on one crop, one system, one failure point, and when it collapsed, over 1 million people died. Millions more fled. But here's what made it worse. Nothing could stop it. This revealed a brutal truth. When survival depends on a single crop, extinction is just one disease away. Coffee rust. Coffee once ruled entire economies. In Sri Lanka, vast plantations stretched endlessly, feeding a global obsession. Then came a silent invader, Himalaya vastatrix. It didn't destroy instantly. It weakened the plant slowly, leaf by leaf. Production dropped, profit shrank, farmers held on. But the fungus kept spreading. Eventually, the entire coffee industry collapsed. But here's the twist. Coffee didn't disappear. It moved. Entire regions shifted production across the globe. This revealed something powerful. Diseases don't just destroy industries, they relocate them. Dust Bowl crop failures. This time, the enemy wasn't a fungus. It was a mistake. Farmers pushed the land too far, removed natural grasses, overworked the soil. At first, yields increased, profits surged, but then the rain stopped. The soil had nothing to hold it in place. And the wind came. Massive dust storms swallowed entire towns. Crops vanished. Land became useless. But here's the real disaster. It wasn't natural. It was man-made. This revealed a harsh reality. The fastest way to destroy agriculture is to ignore nature's limits. Southern cornleaf blight. By 1970, agriculture had become efficient, standardized, optimized. Cornfields across the US looked identical, and that was the problem. A single fungal strain appeared and spread instantly because every plant had the same genetic weakness. 15% of the entire US corn supply gone. But here's the terrifying part. The system worked exactly as designed. This revealed a dangerous flaw. Efficiency without diversity creates perfect conditions for collapse. Banana Panama disease. Bananas once had a different taste. Sweeter, richer. The variety was called Gros Michel. It dominated global markets. Then came a soil-borne fungus, Fusarium oxysporum. It didn't spread through air. It lived in the ground. Impossible to remove. Plantations tried everything. Nothing worked. The entire species, commercially extinct. But here's the twist. We replaced it with another banana, Cavendish. And now, the same disease is coming back. This revealed an unsettling pattern. Replacing a problem doesn't solve it. It delays it. Wheat stem rust. Wheat feeds billions. So when a new strain appeared, the world paid attention. UG99. A fungus capable of wiping out entire harvests. It travels by wind, crosses continents silently. At first, only a few regions were affected. But scientists saw the future. Global famine, if it spreads unchecked. But here's the problem. It keeps evolving. This revealed a relentless truth. Some threats don't end, they adapt. Cassava mosaic disease. Cassava doesn't dominate headlines. But for hundreds of millions, it's survival. Then came a virus, spread by tiny whiteflies. Invisible, uncontrollable. Plants grew weak, leaves distorted, yields collapsed. Entire communities faced food shortages. But here's what made it worse. It spread faster than awareness. This revealed a critical insight. The most dangerous threats are the ones no one is watching. Rice blast disease? Rice feeds more people than any other crop. So when Magnaportha oryzae attacks, the scale is massive. It doesn't just hit one part of the plant, it attacks everything. Leaves, Stems, grains, entire harvest lost, enough to feed millions gone. But here's the real danger. It's everywhere, always present, waiting for the right conditions. This revealed a chilling fact. Some disasters are not rare, they are constant threats. Citrus greening disease. Oranges should be sweet, bright, perfect, but infected trees produce something else entirely. Bitter, deformed, unsellable fruit. The cause? A bacteria spread by insects. Once infected, the tree slowly dies. Florida's orange industry has already taken massive hits. But here's the problem. There is no cure, only management. This revealed a harsh reality. Some agricultural diseases don't destroy instantly, they bleed systems slowly. Locust plagues. Not all threats are microscopic. Some come in waves, billions of locusts, moving like a living storm. They land, and within minutes, everything is gone. Fields stripped bare, entire seasons erased. But here's what makes it terrifying. They move. One region today, another tomorrow. This revealed a brutal truth. Speed can be more destructive than scale. Sugarcane smut. At first, it looks strange. Black, whip-like structures growing from the plant. But it's not just visual damage. It's production collapse. Sugar output drops dramatically. Farmers try to contain it. Replace crops. Adapt. But it keeps returning because it hides in the system. This revealed something subtle but dangerous. Some diseases don't explode. They persist. Soybean rust. Soybeans power global agriculture, animal feed, oil, industry. Then came a fast-spreading fungus. It targets the leaves, reducing photosynthesis. At first, the impact seems manageable, but under the right conditions, it spreads explosively across countries, across continents. But here's the issue. Climate makes it stronger. This revealed a modern threat. The future of agriculture isn't just about crops. It's about changing environments. These weren't isolated events. They were warnings, because the next global agricultural collapse might already be growing somewhere unnoticed.